What's up, y'all? Today we have a high energy, mood boosting cardio dance workout. So let's get right to it. I hope you're ready to get to it. Ooh. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'ma shut this down. Kitty cat meow 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 meow. Hit it with the heat to the hound. Miss Jackson, oh she with a crown. Brand new sound, got a brand new style. Coming with the banger like boom boom pow. Wow. Ooh child. Janet Jackson.
Move the shoulders to the back. And to the front. Move the body up. To the front. Move that booty. Ooh. Yeah. Preach. Over. Speed it up. Move those hips.
That's how I burn it up. Ain't no sitting down, gotta keep it up.
And press. And press. Speed it up. 1. Pick those knees up. Yep. 5. Keep that heart pumping. Let's go. Clap. Yeah. Let's go. That. Up. Keep that heart pumping and lower it. Here we go. Catch your breath. Time to move that ass. Yeah. Other way. Take it down. Take it down. Bring it up. Let's go. Yeah.
Let me see your hands up high. Wanna come with me and take a ride? Maybe this is how I do it.
Let's go. Down. Bring it up.
Now bring that beat back. Mr. DJ.
Take it down.
When the DJ play this, we gon' dance like no one's watching. Hey, Mr. DJ, take that track and won't you turn it up? I'ma
Catch your breath. Catch that breath. Woo!
That's how I burn it up. That's how I burn it up. Let it burn.
Let's go. 5, 6.
That's how I burn it up.
Grapevine. Oh yeah.
That's how I burn it up. That's how I burn it up. That's how I burn it up.
Woo! You did that. All right, I know you see the sweat. I hope you're sweating too, but we're not done yet. Keeping this energy up. Ready? Shoulder. Push it away. Push it away. Up, down, step. Ooh, other way. 1, 2, shoulder. Push it away. Up, down. We're about to speed it up, y'all. 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's go. You got it. Keep going. Push it away. Push it away. Let's try it again. Oh shit. I missed that. Up, down. Hit. Hey. Feel it. Down. Let's go one time. All right, you know what it is. Let's go. Catch your breath. Hey. All right, we're taking it all the way from the top. Let's go. Let's catch our breath. Woo! We're almost done. Keep it going. Roll, roll. Let's go. Finish strong. Hey. Woo! Y'all did that. Let's go.
I'm not so sure I've ever
Roll that body. Now we're gonna snake it. Ooh.
It feels so right.
Let's speed it up.
I must confess, already got me so obsessed. Is that alright? Is that alright? 'Cause baby,
Throw it. Throw it.
I just wanna feel your hands
Ooh.
over me, right where they wanna be, even if it's only for tonight. I wanna go fast, I wanna go hard,
Pop it.
I wanna go
Move that booty.
anywhere you are, no matter how close, no matter how far. I wanna
What that
go
booty?
anywhere you are. I wanna go fast, I wanna go hard, I wanna go anywhere you are, no matter how close, no matter how far. I wanna go anywhere you are.
And again.
May I suggest we go somewhere a little less full of life?
Y'all tired like me? Woo-wee.
Be shy.
You can do a lot in 10 minutes, y'all.
'Cause baby, honestly, I just wanna feel your hands all over me, right where they wanna be, even if it's only for tonight. I wanna go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast, I wanna go fast, I wanna go hard, I wanna go anywhere you are, no matter how close, no matter how far. I wanna go anywhere
Woo!
you are.
Keep it going. And
I wanna go hard, I wanna go anywhere
catch your breath. Woo! Let's go.
no matter how far. I wanna go anywhere
All right. Let's go. How y'all feeling? I hope that you had a great time today. As you can see, I'm sweating so much. Oh my word. Y'all did that. But before we go, let's do a quick cool down. All right? Inhale. Woo. Inhale. Take those arms up. I hope you had a great time with me today. I had a great time with you guys, keeping me on my toes, moving my body with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this, if you're sweating as much as I am, because honey, all right? And I just want to remind you that dance brings joy, and discovering joy helps us heal from all the things that we may be keeping pent up. So be proud of yourself for getting up and doing this 10-minute high energy mood boosting cardio workout. And I will see you next time. Peace.